have highlighted the importance of early cancer detection and treatment. Her positivity has shows that she's challenging times there is always hope. Carole Middleton's inspiring story has committed her place as one of the most beloved members of the royal family. So get the latest updates on Catherine's Princess of Wales health journey. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. After bravely sharing her cancer diagnosis, Kat has announced that she is finished chemotherapy and is now cancer free. So in this video we will dive into her inspiring story from her diagnosis to her recovery and exploring why people love her. A photo of Carole Middleton with a bright smile. A screenshot of Kat's latest health update. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So thank you very much again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.